What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to talk about Dogecoin again here today. And yes, we are still doing good numbers here with Dogecoin. So look at where we are with Dogecoin. We're at 41.60. That's 41 cents, 41.60, 41.59. But yeah, as you can see, we are fluctuating over here with Dogecoin near the 41 cents area. We went all the way down here to 39 cents, but this was a much needed dip. So I would not be scared that Dogecoin just dipped like this. This is a very good dip right here. A lot of people are buying in. As you can see, it's continuing to rise because more people are buying in because they know this is a good dip to buy in on. But yeah, all those buy orders right there. And honestly, it was just much needed because this was so much growth. Like, look at all that growth without a huge correction. So we needed that correction. Like, even back here, we had so much growth coming up and then we had a little correction. So every time we have a lot of growth with Doge, we're always followed by a little correction here. So this is just a little correction. Honestly, tomorrow we could be at 45 cents, possibly 50 cents with the momentum we have right now. Doge is on like a whole momentum roll right now. Like, we're rolling with Doge. Doge is going crazy. So much money is flowing through it. So many people are using it. Like, so many people are starting to accept Doge. And so many people are actually starting to use Doge, so this is also helping Doge a lot. And we have Budweiser doing the Doge memes now. We have eToro accepting Doge on their exchange. We have so many different things with Doge. We really need Coinbase with Doge right now. But yeah, look at this. We're continuing to rise here on these charts. So that's actually good news that we're rising here after this little dip. But this was a much needed dip, like I said. Let's go at a larger look with this chart. So yeah, this was a lot of growth. Like, we had a lot of growth. Like, this was the 28th right here, leading all the way up to here to the 4th. So that's all growth right there. And I've been in like the whole time. I hope you all have been in the whole time too. And this is just crazy. Doge is going so crazy right now. No one really expected this. I didn't expect this either. Like, I was trying to like day trade it, and then I was like, wait, and then it started to go crazy, and then that's why I was just like, no, I'm not even gonna trade this. I'm just gonna let it go crazy, and I'm just gonna hold it to the moon. But yeah, Dogecoin is going up. I'm really seeing like a really big trend here with Dogecoin, where we're just breaking odds, we're just defying odds. But that is a really sharp dip right there. But that's only when you look at it from this perspective. When you look at it from the shorter perspective, it really doesn't even shock me that it dips like this, because we just had so much growth. It was inevitable. It was gonna happen. But honestly, Twitter is driving Doge right now. Look at this hashtag Dogecoin trending in the United States. This is huge. Dogecoin is on the rise. Yes, it is. Dogecoin is on the rise again and being used in new ways as the Oakland A's process the MLB's first transaction using the meme cryptocurrency. I mentioned that in my previous video about this little tweet here. And yeah, Blockfolio, Dogecoin continues to be unrestricted as it's always been. I guess that might be a shot towards Robinhood, because Robinhood likes to do that to their Doge people. And then we have Matt Wallace here now trending Dogecoin on Twitter. Let's go. Yep, we have so much growth here, so many different influencers with the Doge community. I like to help the Doge community, so I'm always gonna like all these comments on here. But yeah, Dogecoin is going crazy, and this just happens with Robinhood all the time. But I guess give Robinhood a break. Give them a break. This happens with them all the time, though. They need to get that wallet, so then once this actually will stop happening when Robinhood has its own wallet. Like, when they give people their own wallets, like, that would stop happening. But when will Dogecoin rise? Kraken. I haven't used Kraken yet. I actually I haven't used it, but I do want to try to use it. But wow, look at here. Like, we did just now dip, but now we are going up huge. Look at all this growth that we just now had just between that time that we were looking at Twitter. Like, we were all the way down here, and now we are like all the way up here. This is crazy. Doge is going huge right now. But yeah, this is why you can't count Doge out. Doge just has too many people supporting it for you to count it out. Let's go over to CoinGecko. Look at this. $53 billion inside of Doge. $12 billion in volume. This is huge with Doge. This is just huge right here. Because if you think about it, like, think about the Doge compared to like your typical stocks. Like, Like let's look over here, like Doge compared to Ford, like the market cap for Ford over here compared to Doge. This is an interesting topic. Let's go over here to Yahoo Finance and let's look for that market cap. So where are we? Oh, okay, yeah, 46 billion. So we're worth more than Ford right now. So yeah, Doge is worth more than Ford right now. Look at this, 53 billion dollars for Doge, only 46 billion dollars for Ford. That's really big right there. We're worth more than Ford. Ford has been around for years. Like, this is crazy right now. Ford is huge. I don't even know how to explain this right now. Like, let's look for something else. Maybe Honda. Let's see how much Honda is worth compared to look at that, Honda, $51 billion, but Dogecoin is 53 billion. So that is huge. That is a huge gap right there. That's, well, I mean, it's a couple billion gap, but it's still huge that Dogecoin is worth more than Honda. This is really big for Dogecoin right now. What about GoPro? Maybe, yep, Dogecoin is definitely worth more than GoPro. So yeah, anything you name, Dogecoin is probably worth more than it. Spotify, Dogecoin is worth more than Spotify. Spotify is only 47 billion. Netflix, let's see. No, Netflix is worth more than Dogecoin. Yeah, we definitely aren't past Netflix. Definitely not Facebook. I know that for sure. Yeah, Facebook is huge. Facebook is behind Bitcoin though. So Bitcoin is actually above Facebook. What else do we have here? I think maybe let's think about a smaller market cap company, more like I know this isn't a small one, but I know Chipotle is huge. So let's see where Chipotle is at. Wow, Chipotle is $41 billion. So yeah, Dogecoin is worth more than Chipotle. This is crazy. Dogecoin has so much money in it, and 12.1 billion was traded in the last 24-hour volume. So that is crazy right there. So yeah, more money flowed through Dogecoin than it did through your favorite car company. That's something to think about there. Dogecoin is going crazy here. Let's look at what we are doing on Google Trends, because we have to be trending everywhere. We have to be trending on Google Trends. We have to be trending on Twitter. We have to be trending everywhere in order to do good here with Doge. And for the past hour, we are up 4 hours. So we're not doing as good as we were, but we need to like get back on it. We need to get back on it with the trending here, because we are dropping down inside the trend. But we are still trending on places like Twitter, and we're still trending on Google as well. But Twitter is huge trending presence right now. Look at this. So much growth right here with Doge. Just all these people in here putting their money in, becoming Dogecoin millionaires. Those coins just going to the moon. Honestly, just imagine what one tweet from Elon Musk could do for Dogecoin right now. Like, imagine if Elon Musk just started tweeting again, because you've seen what happened when this was when he started tweeting over here. Like, so many people started buying in the Doge, and then Doge just went crazy. And now look at what we're doing. We're going right back up after we dropped all the way down here. So yeah, we went all the way down here to 39 cents, and then we just rose right up like that. Like, this is how you know Doge has actual supporters. When it drops huge like that all at once, that was a whale sold, and then the people seeing that a whale sold, and the people bought in. So maybe a whale bought in as well, and it also helped it shoot back up. But the people bought in, and possibly another whale bought in. But yeah, a whale sold all the way up here. It peaked. He was probably like, all right, we're probably not going to get above 49 or 45 cents, because that was our resistance previously, which he was right. But the whale probably had so much money that like he's gonna be right regardless. If he was gonna sell, it was gonna go down regardless. So that's kind of what happens. I'm not sure if a whale actually did sell, but there is a way to tell if a whale actually did sell, and that would be here to the top richest Dogecoin wallets. You can see how much these people own inside their wallets, and some of them are exchanges and not people. So I mean, this could be a person, or it could just be Robinhood right here, which is the 14 billion inside of 14.2 billion inside of this one. But I thought that was actually 13 billion last time. We might have went up, or that wallet might have went up by last time. But yeah, looks like they've been adding Doge onto their position and sold a little bit of Doge. But this wallet right here just buys Doge. This wallet does not sell Doge. Well, no, they had some sells, but their last buy was on the 26th. The last sell was on the 22nd. So that gives you a big perspective here. They sell about 7 million here Doge. But yeah, it's pretty interesting to see what top wallets inside of Doge are doing, especially when you go further down and you look at people that aren't necessarily at the top, but they still have a lot of money in there. Like, look at this wallet right here. So this DOGECOIN wallet has 106 million Doge, coming out to $41 million here. So yeah, this person has $41 million, 106 million Doge. Their so they actually just bought today. So this person is day trading. This person just bought 487 million Doge today. Wow. This person is spending a lot of money here in Doge. This is a lot of money going through Doge right now. But yeah, currently they are holding 106 million Doge. And I guess they've been day trading. But yeah, this is crazy to see how much money is flowing through Doge. There's actual millionaires here putting their money in here and trading it. So this is huge for Doge right now. So let's continue to look here. 30 million, 16 million. Like, this person has $16 million in Doge, coming out to 42 million Doge. This is crazy. So this person has never sent anything out of their wallet. This person has only bought Doge. Like, the first time this person bought Doge was in the 21st. So it was the day after 420. The day after 420, a millionaire was inspired to put in $16 million into Doge. The day after 420, when it dropped, and he was so inspired to do that, and he did not buy anymore. He didn't sell anymore. He just bought one time. Look at that. He bought 42 million Doge one time. He was just like, I know it's gonna go right back up. He watched his money go all the way down. So mind you, this millionaire watched his money go. He watched his $13 million go all the way down, probably to about $3, maybe $4, $5 million. And he watched it go all the way back up to now 16 million. Now he's 3 million above than what he had. He only started with 13 million. Now he has 16.4 million. So this is really making more millionaires optimistic with Dogecoin. If you look at it from this perspective, like, this is just from one person right here. One person did this on the 21st, the day after, Dogecoin dropped and all. And yeah, look at this. This is crazy. But yeah, let's see if we have any more people that are just long time hodlers. Yeah, so look, this person did the same thing. Bought right the day right after Doge Day 420, spent 15 million, spent $11 million, and then held it, watched their money go all the way down like the previous person, and now they have 15 million. So this is crazy in Doge, and you can even take it far back. Like, you can see people who have less money in Doge, but still a significant amount, but far less than what the top whales have. So look at this right here. Someone that has $816,000 in Doge, 2 million. So yeah, pretty much everybody's wallets are like public, but you still have your private key, which makes it secure. But look at this person here. They sold some Doge today. Oh no, they just messed up. But yeah, they sold some Doge today, and the last time they bought Doge was, wow. So the last time they bought Doge in 2014. Look right here, they bought Doge back here in 2014, and then they sold it. Or that's the last time they bought. It was in 2014. And they just sold it now. So they just made all that money off of Doge. They made 732k off of Doge. Well, 732k, that is a lot of money. But yeah, look, this is happening with Doge. So many millionaires are being made out of Doge. So we see it right before our eyes. We see it all these people have so much money in Doge, and so many of them are making money here in Doge. So yeah, this is really crazy to see that we can actually see it in real time. Like, these people are trading Doge constantly. They're constantly, getting more Doge, selling more Doge. Yeah, this is crazy. I'm gonna start mining Doge, and I'll do a video on mining Doge because that'll be pretty cool. And yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But yeah, this is just a little short video, a little short update on what we are doing here with Doge. So we're definitely going to continue to rise here. And I will definitely continue to update you all every day on what we have going on with Doge. And I will be continuing to come through with the motivation, because we all have to be motivated in order just to stay with the diamond hands. Like, we cannot have paper hands at all. Like, we have to have diamond hands. We can't be scared on these little dips here. We just got to pay attention to the long run, because in the long run we just go straight up, and we need diamond hands so then we can profit off of this. But yeah, no paper hands, all diamond hands. And yeah, I'll be back with another video, and don't forget to like this video and check out the description. You get the free stock with Robinhood and Webull, and hopefully we'll get wallets on Robinhood, and that'll be really cool for the whole community. And I will maybe invest more into Robinhood, because I have some Doge in Robinhood. I only have about 3,000, but most of my Doge is in Binance US. But I'll stop rambling. But yeah, this is just a little quick update, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.